Introducing the Hestia Nutri Max Cold Press Juicer. It features cold press technology with slow juicing of 46 revolutions per minute. This ensures 40% more juice and 60% more nutrients. The juicer comes with a large feeding tube for hassle-free juicing. It also has 2 separate outlets for pulp and juice, and is equipped with 3 strainers. The Hestia Nutri Max features self-cleaning in under a minute, and operates on less than 45 decibel. The product is wine red in color. It measures 45.4 by 37 by 32.8 centimeters, and weighs 8.68 kilograms. It is made of 100% BPA-free plastic and superior quality materials. The auger is made of Ultem plastic and the strainers are made from 304 stainless steel. The box includes 1 juicer, 1 hopper, 1 pusher, 1 juicing screw, 1 juicing bowl, 2 juice strainers, 1 cleaning brush, 1 rotation wiper, and 2 cups or jars. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information visit the product detail page.